right? So if he's bent over, okay, I don't even need a fake for the leg. I just move in the hand right, to look for that single necktie. Probably cars when I'm on the single necktie. And again, dealing with this, we should have to drop the shoulder, and I would swim under the underhook, and then I can snap them down and pull them straight into the front headlock position. But sometimes he's savvy to this, and they know the second I have this on the underhook, I'm going to snap him down and he can posture again. So the second he gets his posture back, forget about trying to snap down. But I can by cutting an angle. So my single necktie is going to switch to here. Okay? I'm just going to circle with my right leg, move card in a circle, and pull him into the single necktie position again. So we're in our position again. Okay? So last time we looked at, I have my front headlock position, I have the chin strap, and I brought my second hand in close, would curve out his head into the middle, and then we switched to that 10-finger guillotine. But let's just say I'm here, and as I was attacking the guillotine, trying to make a grip, and then I come underneath, and I have this arm in guillotine, so I have the double chin strap here and here. But he moves his head into the middle. Okay, what I don't want to do is to open the loop, because anytime I open my hand to re-grip, and he makes a grip on my wrist, that's stupid shit, just make a grip on my wrist, this is what he wants. Okay, if he has control of my other hand, he's broken that loop, that junction, and then he can start to work his escape. So I never, when I make the grip here, whether it's in a guillotine or an arm in guillotine, I never want to open that grip up again. But he's moved his head inside, so it's in my belly, so I can't hit the 10-finger guillotine, but I can hit the anaconda. Okay, I just have to roll him. Okay, so if I roll him onto his right side, he can base with this hand. So I still have my grips. I'm just gonna move my elbow to the end of the lever, so I'm going to slide my left forearm down to the end of the lever, push it under his body, and from here I'm going to post my right leg, but I want to bring my head under his armpit or he's going to fall on me, so I put my head right under his right armpit, and I'm just rolling all the way over. We're into our position again. So we still have my grip. We're into our anaconda position that we did that last time. So again, rule of thumb, I have my thumbs coming out the back. Possibly if Carl is flurrying this elbow, so he's trying to make space, I want to get his arm driving into his shoulder. So anytime he's flurrying this, here I just make my junction. Okay? Sorry. And I'll use my forearm to push it down a little bit, and then I can use my left leg to wipe it down. Once I wipe it down, and I have it in the position, grip again. My right hand finds my left bicep, not the other way around. I don't bring this over. Again, the snugness, my left forearm against his left jugular. And I'm using now, I'm going to be pushing this inside. So the details of the anaconda was I don't want his head on the mat. Because if it is on the mat and I haven't got the snugness of the choke, when I try to walk towards him, I'm making his left ear to his shoulder. That's more of a neck track, comfortable, and I want to choke, so I really want him here. So if I do have to walk in, due to the lack of snugness on my choke, I'm pushing his chin into his chest. So let's do that again. From the clinch, if Carl's bent over, I'm just straight in. Again, he can be intercepting my hands as I come in, and it'll be a hand first. I want to make sure that I'm controlling that inside space. Okay. But he gets a single necktie, I have the single necktie, I drop my left shoulder, I go in that underhook. When I try to snap him down, he's posturing. So I just switch my grip from a single necktie to a cross grip. Again, if I pull, I'm not going to get him down, but what's going to get him down is the momentum. I'm going to circle my right leg away from him. Pull hard in the circle. Get back into my front headlock position again. Foot's up, so he doesn't double leg me. I have him clamped. I maybe go for the guillotine and Carl's intercepting with his hands, so I can get the arm in the guillotine. But now he moves his head into the middle. So I don't want to open that loop. From there, I just slide my left elbow down to the bottom of Carl's right elbow and push it under his body. That's his base. Just be careful when you're playing this, guys. Your head, if you keep it there, he's going to land on it. So you put it right the whole way under his armpit. I post my legs so I can drag myself over. Yeah, straight into my anaconda position. So again, it depends on where he lands. You might have to just do a slight few adjustments. Through drilling this, you'll know where to go. This is where I want to be. Find the bicep. From that position, I'm bringing my right elbow to my body to finish the shoulder. So it's just this. One more time. Clench. Up the underhook. Then I swing to the side. Flare the elbow. Try to snap down. Stand close to it. So we switch my grip. So we circle this leg away. So we circle. Straight down in the front headlock. Arm and guillotine grip. He moves his head inside. Move to the end of the lever. So we slide this left elbow all the way down. So here, push down, bring my head underneath, switch my legs. Again, it depends on where this elbow is. The adjustment I want is I want my left forearm, the inside of it tight to this left jugular. Okay? I keep my junction. If this is out, okay, I just use my forearm to try and bring it down a little bit, and then my leg, bring it all the way down. Come in with my hand. There, I find the bicep. Bring right over to my leg. If I'm loose and there's more space, because his head is on my body, I can walk in a little bit, which will tighten it, which makes his chin. Okay, so let's put it